Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're unboxing and setting up the AOC AGON 32-inch curved gaming monitor, which is born to battle. So the model number for this display is AG322QC4. In the description you will find a link to AOC and the best price here in the UK and the US. So taking a look at the box, and on the front here there's some key aspects down the bottom right hand corner I just want to highlight. So it has AMD Radeon FreeSync 2. It is VESA certified display HDR 400, so you're going to get HDR experience. It has a wide viewing angle VA panel. It has multiple display ports and HDMI ports for connectability. It offers 144 Hz refresh rate, which is really high. It has 4 milliseconds response time. It has QHD resolution, which is 2560 by 1440. It offers AOC shadow control as well as game control. So this will give you an immersive gaming experience in HDR. So enough said, let's get into the unboxing and set it up. So before you rush to get into your monitor, just take a moment here to have a look at the instructions how to remove the display correctly so you don't damage yourself or damage the monitor. Once that is done, on the other side it shows you then how to connect up to a desktop PC, or you could connect to other peripherals, and make sure to read the instructions as always. Here is all the contents you're going to find in the box as well as your display itself. First of all, you've got your column, which is very heavy duty and looks very professional. It offers a handle at the top with cable management running through the center here. On the side here is a plate which you're going to mount into your display. There's 2 teeth at the top, and also there is 4 screw holes as well. There are 4 screws here that you'll need to tighten in to offer extra security with its sturdiness. Then moving on is your 3-foot stand, again made up of very good material. Coming on to your cables, you then have a display port to display port connection to connect up all your peripherals. You have a HDMI to HDMI, again for connecting up your peripherals. You have a UK 3-pin plug which will connect to the power brick as well up here at the top. Coming along, you have your manuals and your CD with drivers and also manual on it. Then you have a USB connection cable here to connect into the back of your monitor, so you can use the USBs, and then also you can connect into your device. Then finally in the middle you can actually see a remote here from AOC which we can connect into the back of our display. So before the monitor is set up, I just want to quickly show you how to connect the column to the stand, then the column and stand to your monitor, just in case you don't know how to and it's your first display. So for this, what you need is your stand, which we have here. Underneath you're going to find a locking nut, which is this connection here. This is going to lock your column into your stand. What you're going to notice is some grips around here at the bottom, and they need to sit in here flush. So what you need to do is put this inside here. You might have to move it around, and as you can see now that's nice and smooth. So lock into place. So now that's locked into place. So hold both, turn upside down, and you're going to screw in your locking nut here. You even use a screwdriver as well to add extra strength to that, but that should be fine. So turning back up. So here is the AOC display, and as you can see you've got them 4 connections inside there to screw in. Also that offers a VESA mount connection as well. Here is the 2 holes that I was on about where the teeth will go, and underneath is all of your peripherals. So let's have a look at that there. You do also have some lighting as well to really get you in the gaming experience and really immerse you into your game. So lifting the monitor up, first of all, inside the middle here you have a joystick control stick system. You have HDMI, your display port, a VGA, audio in, microphone. You have then your connection for the remote control. Then you have your power connection. Down this side you also have again a microphone and headphone option. You have a fast charging USB and a USB 3, so both of them are USB 3s. And then finally you have the connection cable inside here that you'll need to connect to your desktop, laptop or PC. So you do have a great range of connections here. There is speakers on this monitor, and they are 2 5-watt speakers. So taking your column standard that we've already pre-made, just turn this around. Like I said, put the teeth in first at the top, sit this in. So that's nice, simple and easy. And all you need to do is connect the 4 screws that are here. It uses a crosshead screwdriver or a posi screwdriver, and I recommend you do corner. Don't do the top 2 and then the bottom 2, or the left or the right, as it just may be not strengthened in the correct way possible. So I'm going to do that now, and then it'll be all set up and ready to go. So taking a look at the back of our monitor, it's all set up now. I'm going to switch it around in a second, but I just want to show you the cool lighting effects that you have on here. And you have 3 different options. So you have green, red, and then blue. And this also runs underneath, and I will take a photograph for you so you see that as well. The joystick control system is in a different color, and on the left hand side here, but be on the right hand side when set up, is an actual little flip out ear you can rest your headphones onto. You do have height adjustment with this monitor, so it does have a great range of height, which I'll go through more details in the review as well. Offers swivel and tiltability, so there's loads of different options there. All that's left to do is turn back around, and then we can really get into the brand new AOC monitor here, and it's born to battle, and I'm ready to game as well on here. Finally, our AOC monitor is all set up and ready to go. It looks stunning. This 32-inch size is great for me. With a curved display, it draws you in, immerses you in your content, whatever you're doing, gaming, working, or just enjoying the images it's shown here from macOS Mojave. The remote control is great as well. It has presets built in. You can navigate throughout your display, change your inputs, and go through your menus, where it is great detail, and the amount of options is stunning, which we'll go through in the review. Also, you can change the lights. There are two blue lights here, and it might not be shown because of the bright studio lights. There's also lights on the back of the display that can turn between blue, green, and red. The choice is yours. You can either use the remote or use the joystick control to toggle these through or turn them off. Connectability is fantastic on the back. There's such a range of connectability here. So first of all, on the left hand side, we have a MacBook Pro from DisplayPort to Thunderbolt, which is working really well and giving us these gorgeous images. On the right hand side, you're going to find my Xbox One X, offers HDR and 4K gaming. I'm looking forward to testing that out on this monitor. There's still ports there to connect a whole range of devices. The USB cable is also connected on the MacBook Pro, so we can check out the USBs on the back of this device. To wrap up, I just want to highlight the key features again so you know what you're getting with this monitor. It has AMD FreeSync 2 with variable refresh rates with your GPUs, and also has the ability to help with HDR as well now. It has VESA certified display HDR 400, making your colors come more alive. It has a wide viewing angle here with a VA panel, which is a 178-degree viewing angle from each side. It has a very versatile monitor as well, with the height adjustment, swivel adjustment, and tilt adjustment. 144 Hz refresh rate is quick, sharp, and your images and your content is going to be pinpoint. 4 milliseconds response time is great for online gaming, so you can be ahead of the game. Quad HD resolution makes your images sharp and makes you enjoy your content whatever you are viewing. Both with shadow control and game control from AOC, you choose what you want to see and what details you want to see. This monitor lets you be immersed in your gaming experience in glorious HDR. If you do have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. In the description, you will find a link to AOC UK and the best price for the UK and US. This has been the unboxing and setup of the AOC curved gaming monitor with HDR 400. The model number for this is AG322QC4. From me, Ricky, thanks always for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest videos from Tech Talk. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.